As the posting logic in new asset accounting has been changed with technical clearing account, so I will demonstrate this to you by posting an asset acquisition in SAP S/4HANA Finance. First, I will compare this with SAP ECC process. In SAP ECC, an asset acquisition from a vendor is posted in a one-step process using transaction code F90, or you can also go through the menu path. What happens in asset acquisition once the posting is made? That vendor account is credited and asset account is debited. So that's it. And what happens in SAP S/4HANA if we post acquisition by using the same transaction code? In SAP S/4HANA Finance, an asset acquisition from a vendor is posted in a three-step process, right? What are those processes? The vendor account is credited and technical clearing account is debited, not the asset account here, which I showed you in SAP ECC process. Secondly, asset account is debited and technical account is credited. So the posting in technical clearing account for integrated asset acquisitions happens automatically, and it always has a zero balance for each of the accounting principles in the chart of depreciation. We can also say that the first two lines show the operational part, and the last two lines are showing the valuation part or valuating part of the business transaction. So I will post an asset acquisition in SAP S/4HANA. So I will go through the menu path. It's under accounting node and financial accounting, fixed assets, posting, acquisition, external acquisition, and you have got the option to post asset acquisition with vendor, and you can also see the transaction code F90. Double click on that and choose the document date. Let's say 10th of October, and posting date is the same. My company code is AZ01. Press enter and enter the currency. My currency is GBP, and the period will be adjusted automatically. So choose the account. So you remember we created the vendor account, Stratford Cars. So I'm gonna choose this one. Double click on it and press enter. And you will be on the first item screen. So here you have to enter the amount. Suppose we are purchasing it at the rate of £25,000, and posting key as the asset is coming in our inventory or stock. So we will mention posting key debit asset, which is 70. Choose the asset account here or your inventory. So suppose we are purchasing BMW 3 Series, and choose the transaction type for external asset acquisition, that is 100. Press enter and you will be on the item to debit asset screen. Choose the amount again 25,000 and go to document, simulate, and here you can see the overview of the document, how it will be posted. If everything looks fine to you, click post. And the document will be posted in your company code. Now, if you go to document and click display, so you can see the first step here in which the technical clearing account gets debited, right? As you can see here. In the same document, there are other corresponding accounting documents that post the other leg of the accounting entry. So how can we see other accounting documents? If you go to environment, document environment, and click on accounting documents. And you can see here, so the first document which we are looking at our screen is the operational part of the business transaction. We can say that because that is vendor invoice. The second part is evaluating business transaction. So if you double click on that, and you can see here that here it is debiting the asset reconciliation account and crediting the technical clearing account. And separate other documents you can see here in non-leading ledger. So if you have got more than non-leading ledgers, so separate documents will be posted to each of the ledgers within the ledger group that are assigned to the accounting principle associated with the depreciation area. And you will notice in both documents, technical clearing account has a zero balance. How? If I double click on the vendor invoice, so the technical clearing account is being debited. And if I go and show you the other document that is posted in leading ledger group, so here the technical clearing account is being credited, making its balance zero. You can also see the similar information if you click on asset accounting button on the document. This will display you asset accounting document. This document will show you both operating part and evaluating part of the transaction. So in the first part, you can see the vendor is being credited and technical account is being debited. In the second part, the asset account is being debited and technical clearing account is being credited, making the balance of the technical clearing account is zero. So remember, the first part is the operating part and the second part is the evaluating part.